what should we call this?
Barn pull down trick.
Barn what?
Barn pull down trick. Well, there's one simple mod you can make stuff disappear. One simple trick the government.
All right,
doesn't want you
seriously,
to know.
we're gonna take said 5-ton and said rubber band and pull down said barn. Yeah, so let's do it. So what? Just get in and just give it. Just give her to her now.
Just put it in 6-wheel drive low and put
Yes,
it to the
6
floor.
low.
Yeah.
Hey, should we go for the power brake, John?
You only have front brakes anyway.
That's the key. We fixed it.
How's that experience?
It's fantastic. I'd like to say we're here to fix humanity. One small step at a time. As you can see, our building construction projects always turn out peachy. My God.
That works better than I thought.
I'm about to say, was that even like a test? Like,
No, that was